This new AI can literally run your online business from your laptop to your mobile phone, and it just might replace virtual assistants completely. Let me show you what I mean. Manus just dropped a feature called My Computer, and it doesn't just work in the cloud anymore, it works directly on your actual computer. I'll show you how to set it up in under 5 minutes, connect it to your tools and use it to automate your product research, find winning offers, get clients, build your store and run your business on autopilot. No coding, no VPS, nothing complicated, just results. Because here is the thing, other tools put all of that on you. The VPS, the Mac Mini, the security hardening, the config files, but Manus just handles all of that in the background. Now before we proceed, let me quickly explain what Manus actually is, because this part is important. Manus AI is not a chatbot, okay? It is an AI agent, and that difference is everything. A chatbot gives you answers. An AI agent actually does the work for you. You give it a task, and it goes off and handles it from start to finish. And then it comes back with the final result. It honestly feels just like chatting with ChatGPT or Claude. But what it can do is on a completely different level. And the best part, you can start using it for free. My special link is in the description below. Make sure you grab it before we proceed. Now let me show you the feature that actually changes everything, My Computer. This just dropped a few days ago, and honestly, most people are sleeping on it. Until now, Manus worked in the cloud. You give it a task, it goes off somewhere on a server and gets it done. But this is different. Now you install a simple app on your laptop, sign in, choose what files it can access, and Manus is now working directly on your own computer, which means it's not just generating ideas anymore, it's actually handling your real business tasks. Let me show you what that looks like. Once you're inside Manus, head over to this icon and download your preferred app, mobile or desktop. We'll go with the desktop app. It works on both Mac and Windows. Follow the prompts, install it, and once it's done, you'll land on this interface. Now this is where things get interesting. Now you have access to My Computer feature. And with this, you can actually start working with your real files. So let me show you something practical. I'm going to upload a messy folder, and we'll let Manus organize it. And just so you know, Manus always asks for permission before accessing any of your files. Here's the prompt I'm using. Organize all files in this folder into categories like ebooks, designs, images, and videos. I'll hit enter and watch this. I'm going to place this side by side so you can see exactly what it's doing. Look at that. It's already sorting everything. In less than a minute, everything is clean and structured. We've got videos in one folder, images in another, ebooks properly separated. Everything organized automatically. What would normally take you 30 minutes, right, is done in one prompt. Now think about what that means for your business. If you're working on your laptop every day, creating content, selling products, managing files, this alone can save you hours every single week, which means more time to focus on things that actually make you money. And because it's cloud connected, you can send it tasks from your phone while your home computer does the work. So how do you set this up? Simple. Just connect. Head over to connectors and look at what's available. Your entire online business toolkit in one place. So you can connect to Instagram, and Manus helps you create and publish posts, reels, and content automatically. The Instagram Creator Marketplace, best for brands, it helps you find creators that match your brand, so you don't have to do it manually. And over here is Meta Ads Manager. This one's huge. Manus automates your ad insights, optimizes campaigns, and shows you exactly what's working, so you can maximize profit without risking your account. Think of it as your personal ad strategist. I personally use this now. Give Manus access, and it can draft replies, organize threads, summarize emails, and save you hours every week, okay? There are tons of other tools here, Slack, Notion, Make.com, and I love that it supports Make.com and Zapier for connecting to thousands of apps. This one's amazing. When you connect it, it helps create and design PDFs, ebooks, and other digital products from start to finish. Literally, it can take your idea and turn it into a finished product, and you know what that means. More time to focus on selling, promoting, and growing your business. If you want, I can do a full tutorial on creating ebooks or digital products entirely using Manus AI. That might just be the next video. Every single one is one-click connect. Just click, authorize, done. No API keys, no complicated setup. On other tools, this alone could take hours. When connecting Gmail or Google Drive, I recommend creating a separate Google account just for Manus. That way, it has its own email and Drive, and your personal accounts stay separate. Just a small habit that saves headaches later, okay? So this isn't just about organizing files. It's about managing your entire workflow automatically everywhere. Now, this right here is where things get really powerful, because one of the biggest hidden problems in online business is research. What products are trending? What offers are actually converting? What is your audience searching for right now? Most people either skip this completely or spend hours every week trying to figure it out. But this is where Manus changes the game. You set it up once, and it does your research for you every single day, be it weekly, however you set it. Let me show you. So here is my prompt. It says, every Saturday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, search the internet, Etsy, Gumroad, and Pinterest for the top 5 digital products gaining momentum right now, like Canva templates, Notion planners, or ebooks. For each one, tell me what it is, why it is selling right now, and give me one idea for a digital product I can create and list in my store today. I'll hit enter. For the prompt, check the description box for more niches prompt, and that's it. Because Manus has built-in memory and scheduling, it saves this task and runs it automatically every Saturday as instructed. So instead of you searching for hours, you wake up, check your phone, open your Telegram or Gmail if it is connected already, and your research is already done for you. You can even take it a step further with SimilarWeb for an in-depth keyword research. Think about that. Every single week, you're getting fresh ideas, trending products, and content opportunities before most people even start looking. That's how you stay ahead. So instead of guessing what to create or promote, you're working with data that's updated weekly. Now this next part, this is where it gets crazy, because one of the biggest things that stops people from making money online is this. No website, no store. But watch this. With Manus, you can build a full online store with one single prompt. Let me show you. Here's the exact prompt. Build me a high converting landing page for my digital product. The product is called ADHD Friendly Academic Command Center. It costs $29 and it helps neurodivergent students and people with ADHD to stay organized, blah, 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 and all of that. I'll hit enter. All right. And there you go. As you can see, Manus is building everything in real time, and in less than 5 minutes, we already have a fully structured website. It's got the layout, the colors, and it's already optimized. I didn't even specify a color scheme, and it still gave us something clean and professional. And look at this, we've got all the key sections, features, testimonials, FAQs, everything you need is already here. Now, if you want to edit anything, the text, the layout, the colors, you just click here and you can customize everything. And once you're satisfied with the layout, you can switch to the mobile view, which is important because most people will visit your site from their phone. And honestly, it's already well optimized for mobile, so you won't need to do much tweaking. Now, when you're ready to go live, just click on Publish, hit Publish Now, and you can either use a custom domain. You can buy one here or connect your existing domain, or use the default Manus domain. But if you want your brand to look professional, I highly recommend using your own domain, okay? Anyways, let's give it a better name, and that's it. Your store is live, just like that. Now at this point, your website is ready, and you can start sending traffic to it. You might notice the payment button isn't active yet, and that's completely normal. All you need to do is connect your payment provider like Stripe or PayPal. So it's always a good idea to connect all the tools you need from the beginning, so everything works seamlessly. Once that's done, you're ready to start receiving payments. Now your business is actually live, and it doesn't stop there. You can ask Manus for a full launch plan, your email sequence, your marketing content, any format you need, and it keeps building everything for you. So here's my honest take. Manus AI is one of the most complete tools I've come across for running an online business. It researches for you, it builds for you, it organizes your files, and it connects to the tools you already use. Instagram, Meta Ads, Gmail, Google Drive, Canva, Zapier, all in one place. And now with the My Computer feature, it's not just in the cloud anymore. It's working directly with your real files, handling real business tasks 24/7. All of this for around $20 a month. Honestly, that's one of the best investments you can make in your online business right now. If you want to try it out, the link is in the description, and you can use my link to get the best deal available. Try it out, explore it, and you know what? You can even use this to find opportunities online tailored to your skills. So come back and tell me in the comments what you automated first. I read every single comment. And if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people like you find this content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.